Hey you guys, I'm Mike from On Point Craps. It's a new year and with it comes new videos. Today we're going to take a look inside Waylon's mind and roll out a strategy with that very name. Hey you guys, welcome back to the On Point Craps table. This is the first video of 2023, so I just want to wish everybody a Happy New Year. For all my subscribers out there, thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. With that being said, this video comes from one of the subscribers, TheJusticeJen. She reached out and asked if I could roll out the Waylon's mind strategy at a low bankroll level. I'm happy to oblige. Full transparency, I've rolled this out a couple different times with different bankrolls and tried to find a good balance of realism and keeping the bankroll as low as possible. Here on the East Coast, other than bubble craps, the lowest table minimum I could find is $10. So we're going to go a $10 bankroll, or sorry, a $10 bet level. Bankroll is going to be $500. I like to try to keep my videos at $300. I think that's a more realistic average Joe buy-in. $500 is not out of the realm of possibility, so we're going to go with $500. You kind of need a large bankroll to work these ladder strategies. Waylon's mind strategy is a ladder strategy. It's an outside ladder, so the 4, 5, 9, and 10. You're going to start at $10. If any number hits other than the 4, 5, 9, or 10, you're going to ladder up one betting unit. If the outside numbers hit, you will collect and bring it all the way back down to base. If you 7 out, when you come back in, you are going to go ahead and come back in at the level that you were last at. You aren't going to ladder up. The only difference I'm going to make to this strategy is I am not going to be working the come out. I just find that come out sevens come out like happen all the time, and it just eats bankroll. And if you're at the $30 level, it's going to crush you. You can make a decision at that point if a lot of sevens are coming to obviously not bet, or to just come back in at the base level. But with this one, we're just not going to work the come out. That's really the only variation to the strategy. It doesn't really change things too much depending on how the dice roll. But as I said, I tend to see come out sevens both on my home table and when I'm playing live at the casino. So without wasting any more time, I'm going to go ahead and put this out there. For those of you paying attention, I have some new On Point Craps chips. I kind of like the way they look. There are some tweaks I want to make before I start giving them out to friends and stuff like that. But there they are. So we're at the $10 level. If we have to ladder up to the $20 level, I will be buying the 4 and 10. I will try to keep track of the VIG as best I can. It does get confusing when you're bringing laddering up and down because you start getting VIG back. I'll do the best I can to manage that. If I mess it up, I apologize. That's what the dealers get paid the big bucks for, to make sure those mistakes don't happen. So that's it. We're going to start with our first shooter. As I said, we are not working the come out. That's the only variation to the strategy. And the dice are out. And that is a 5, 3, 8. The point will be 8. We're not laddering because we weren't working. Now we are either laddering or collecting. Dice are out. And that is a pair of aces. Aces in both places. 2 craps. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and ladder up. We're going to have to drop a red here to get some whites for VIG. It's going to be $2 in VIG. I'm going to keep the VIG here, so if we ladder down, I'll take that VIG back. Dice are out. Oh, actually, let me mark this. These have been bought. Dice are out. And that's a 4, 1, 5. Fever 5. 20 is going to go ahead and pay 28. 28. And we just rack. There's no pressing. And we go ahead and come back down to the base level on all of our bets, which means we'll be getting this vig back. And dice are out. There's a 6 to 8, 8 easy. 6 to 8, 8 easy. That is the point. However, it's not one of our numbers. So again, we go ahead and ladder up. Buy this 4 and this 10. We are off, not working the come out roll. Dice are out. 3, 1, 4. Perhaps we should have been working it, but I don't like to risk it. It's a 3, 1, 4. Point will be 4. Dice are out. And that's an 8. 8 easy. So now we're going to bump these all up to the $30 level. The way you would do this in the casino is just go ahead and drop $40. But for ease of time and bankroll, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop $100 here. I'm going to bring all this back to my rack. So we're now at the $30 level. Dice are out. 6. 6 easy. It's a lumber 2x4. We're going to go ahead and press up to the $40 level. That will come with an additional dollar vig on both the 4 and the 10. Dice are out. And then we 7 out. 7 out. So we are at the $40 level. When we come back in, we will be buying in at that $40 level. So let's go ahead and set that up right now. Obviously, we are not working. These are going to be bought at $2 a piece. New set of dice. New shooter. We are not working. Dice are out. Neener 9. It's a 5, 4, 9. Maybe I should be working these come outs. We've been hitting our numbers on those come outs. Dice are out. Yo 11, Yo Levine, the Dancing Queen. Going to go ahead and bump all of these up by 10 more. So that is going to take us to the $50 level. Again, what I would do is drop $40 to the dealer. And they would go ahead and make it look right. But we're just going to go ahead and drop 100 in green. Clean up our rack. Looking for a hit here. Dice are out. And there is a 3-1-4. Little Joe from Kokomo. It's the best thing that could happen to us. That's going to be $100. We'll just go ahead and collect that in green. It's $100 in green. We're going to lose that vig. And then we're going to come back down to base level. So we're going to take all this back with us. And you're going to see with just that one hit what kind of position it puts us in. Back down to the base level, which is $40. And 4, 5, 9, and 10. Let's go ahead and set these greens up. There's 100 in green. 200 in green. 300 in green. 325. So we're not down much. We got whacked really hard on that 7. Bring this vig back to our rack. And our bankroll's not looking too bad after getting hit really hard on that ladder. Dice are out. There's a 6, 5, 1, 6. Let's go ahead and buy this 4 and 10. Dice are out. And there's an 8. 8 easy, so 5, 3, 8. We'll continue to keep pressing. Again, we're now at the $30 level. Bring all this back to our rack. Kind of get let's make our rack look right. Dropping these greens. Dice are out. 8. 8 easy. 5, 3, 8. We're just going to go ahead and keep on pressing. It's going to take us to that $40 level. She's going to come with an additional vig. Go ahead and drop 5 to get 5 in white. 2 more dollars in vig. And dice are out. 9, neener 9. So $40 on the 9 is going to go ahead and pay us $56. It's 56, and then we're going to bring everything back down to base level. All of our vig comes back. And again, when you press up, this regression really helps you out. I do believe if we brought everything back, we would be at about our starting bankroll. That was the point, I believe, right? That was a 549. So new shooter coming out. We're not working. Hard 4. 2-2 ballerina. One time I don't work the come outs. I've hit a number on every come out roll. Dice are out. 7. 7 out. 7 out. But that's okay. We are going to go ahead and come right back out at the $10 level because that's where we were. What do you say? We're going to be risky. Let's switch things up. Reading the table, right? We haven't had a lot of come out 7s. We're going to go ahead and work on this come out roll. Dice are out. 6, 1, 7, and that's why I don't do it. Oh my goodness. See what happens? Coming back out. That was a come out 7. We are not working this time. Not working. Dice are out. And that's a hard 6, 3, 3, hard 6. Now we're in the game. Dice are out. 7 out, 4, 3, 7. So the tables are turning. At this point, see if we can turn this around. To drop $80 to the dealer. Again, we are not working. We're down $200, just about. Dice are out. It's a hard 6 again. 3, 3, hard 6. Dice are out. 5, fever 5. Let's going to go ahead and pay us 15 for one. Dice are out. 7 out. Man, hurting us, hurting us. Not getting the opportunity to the ladder, and we do ladder, we're getting smoked. So again, we're going to drop $75 to the dealer. Looking to get a couple hits in a row. It's hurting us. New shooter, new dice. Dice are out. 9, meaner 9. 5, 4, 9. All right, let's get some hits. Dice are out. 5, 1, 6. 5, 1, 6. That's 6 easy. Doesn't help us at all. And here's what I was saying we would normally do. This is how we don't have the chips to do. We do have the chips to do it. I'm going to drop 100. Bring these back to our... No, because we're only at the $20 level. I apologize. Look at that. Getting myself all confused. We're going to have to drop $40 to the dealer. And they will go ahead and make them all look like 20. Again, we are going to drop $1 vig each on the 4 and 10 to buy them. All right, dice are out. Yo 11, Yo Levine, Dancing Queen. Here's where we will just go ahead and drop 3 greens. Everything's at the $30 level. Dice are out. 4. It's a 3, 1, 4. 30 pays 60. There's $60. We'll lose that vig. We're going to come back down, bring everything down. We'll get this 1 vig back from the 10. We're going to go all the way back down to base. And this regression is the key to the strategy. You may not necessarily see it, but you build all the way up, and when you hit, you come all the way back down. A lot of ladder strategies, you ladder up 1 unit, ladder down 1 unit. With this one, when you ladder down by coming all the way back down to base, you're bringing all that back to you. So when you hit really hard, and then bring it back down. Dice are out. 3, 1, 4. 10's going to pay 18. Dice are out. 10 on the end. Waylon's best friend. That's a 10 easy. 6, 4, 10. Again, that pays 18. Hope we can start racking up some wins here. Dice are out. 9, meaner 9. That's the point. That's a 6, 3, 9. That's going to pay us 14. We'll do 15 for 1. Coming out. Not working. Dice are out. And that's a Yo 11. Yo Levine, the Dancing Queen. 6, 5, Yo. It's a front 9 winner. Dice are out. 10 on the end. 6, 4, 10. 10 easy. Now we're working. Dice are out. 8 easy. It's a 6, 2, 8. Go ahead and ladder up. So as you see, you can play this strategy at a lower bankroll. I haven't really won, but I'm hanging in there, kind of. Dice are out. 6, 5, 1, 6. That's 6 easy. 5, 1, 6. So again, we would drop $40 to put everything here at the $30 level, but what we're going to do is just bring all these reds back. Go ahead and drop 4 greens. I like this level. I like this level and the $40 level because I feel like I haven't hurt my bankroll too much, and when I win, it's going to bring back a significant amount. Dice are out. 213, 3 craps. 213, 3 craps. It's going to bring us up to the $40 level. It's going to come with an additional $2 vig. As I said, I'm comfortable here. Look for that hit. Dice are out. 6 hard. It's a 3-3. 6 hard. It's going to move us up to the $50 level. So again, I'm going to bring all the reds back. Go ahead and take us to the $50 level. And dice are out. Oof. So that hurts. 7 out. And this is where the strategy can bite you in the butt. Because we don't have enough to come back out here at the $200, it'd be $200 to come out at the $50 level. So here's where you have options. You can come back out at the base. You could come back down and put your whole bankroll out there and see where it stands. You know what? We're going to go for guts. We don't have the $50. We're going to go ahead and see what we can put out there. There's 25. See if we can do 30. Okay, we're at 30 there. 40, 40, 40, 40, 50, 50. We don't have enough to do, we have enough to do 40. All right. We have enough to do 40. It's going to come with a $4 vig. And let's see. That was a 7 out. So it's going to be a new shooter. We won't be working. Dice are out. 8. Point will be 8. That's a 6-2-8. This is going to be the last shooter regardless of what happens. Dice are out. 4, 3, 1, 4. 40 is going to pay us 80. So that big hit on the at the $50 level really hurt us. So we're down like $300, not quite 300, almost $300. All the vig comes back. Nope, we hit on the 4, so we'll lose $2 of vig. What we're going to do, we'll do one more shooter. Sorry, we'll finish out this shooter. I apologize, I'm getting ahead of myself. You'd think after with the new year, I'd have cleaned up my act and know how to do these things, but so much going on, lose track of what I'm doing. Same shooter, we'll finish out this shooter. Hopefully, they can bring us back into the positive, see how this strategy works. Dice are out. 10, hard 10. Puppy paws. And I may be doing this wrong. We may have hit the point of 4 and be a new shooter. I don't know. We're going to play it out as it is. I apologize if I messed that up. Let me know in the comments. But this 10 is going to go ahead and pay 18. Dice are out. 8. It's an 8 easy. 6-2-8. So that's going to ladder us up. $2 in VIG. Let's go. Dice are out. And we 7 out. We 7'd out. So with that, we're going to go ahead and end the video here. Jen, I hope this served you well. Let's see where we stand right now. We have 125. So there's $211. So we're down almost $300. But we've been rolling for almost a half an hour. We're still in the game. I would have liked to shown you what happens if you hit after a couple big build-up and hits. Because even though we took that hard loss, you can see just after one hit, after losing so bad, we're still in the game. Give it a try on your own. Let me know what you think. As I said, Jen, if this is what you're looking for, please let me know in the comments. If you want me to do a different rollout, let me know. I'll be happy to do that for you again. So everybody, thanks for watching. Keep practicing. Take this strategy and do what you want to do with it. And hopefully I'll see you on the casino floor.